Hey everyone, in this video let's learn how to join a public Discord server on a mobile device. To get started, let me show you inside of the app what we're looking for. On the main page, we can see all the servers we currently have joined on the left. Now, normally you tap the plus sign here at the bottom to join another, but this takes us to the create page. At the bottom, you do have the option to join the server, but you must have a link to put in. Not very helpful, right? But being able to search and join a public server is a feature a lot of people have been asking for. So hopefully Discord adds it here later. But this is the workaround I've found and used. Close the Discord app and open your mobile web browser. Here's the trick around this. If you head to discord.com, it will take you to a mobile download page. If you took around the website, there's nowhere you can log into your account. And even if you request the desktop version, it still doesn't work. Instead, do a new web search for Discord login. This is the easiest way I've found. Scroll down and find the result that shows discordapp.com at the top here. Now, you'll get an actual Discord login screen. Log in with your credentials. You'll then be taken to your Discord main page. Here you'll see the same option as the desktop site as well, instead of the scaled back mobile app version. Go ahead and choose the Discover icon here, and then you'll get the Discover menu. Here's where the website falls apart. As I said, this is definitely not mobile friendly, but unfortunately, this is the best option we have for now. You can see if I choose a different category, I can scroll on the far right through the featured communities. You're not able to scroll over to minimize the Discover menu here, but if you turn your mobile device sideways, it does help the view. I'm on an iPhone, so this is my view. You can also search for a topic at the top in the search bar. Once you find a server that you want to join, tap join at the top. Now, here's where everything comes back into places and works as it should. Once you've joined the server, you find close your web browser. Now, open the Discord app again and you'll see the server that you just joined is in here and works as it should. I hope this video helps you if you're trying to join a public Discord server on your mobile device. I know it's not ideal, but this is the best way I've found to do this until Discord officially makes the option available. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.